In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom Virtual Background without green screen. Virtual backgrounds are a quick way to hide a messy room, keep your privacy, or give your meetings a polished look. You don't need a physical green screen for this. Zoom can separate you from your background using software. To get great results, we'll follow a simple path. Open the app, go into settings, head to the video and effects area, and import the image you want to use. First, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop client rather than the browser, because the desktop app gives you the full set of video features. If you haven't updated Zoom recently, it's a good idea to do that for the best performance and the latest background options. Also, take a second to tidy anything that might confuse the software, like moving directly in front of a window with bright light. Next, go to Settings. You'll find the gear icon on the main Zoom home screen. Clicking it opens the Preferences window, which is where all the video controls live. If your app layout looks slightly different, don't worry, just look for the Settings gear. Now go to the Video and Effects section. In many versions, this is labeled Backgrounds and Effects or Virtual Backgrounds in the left sidebar. Make sure the correct camera is selected at the top and check your lighting. Good. Even lighting helps Zoom separate you cleanly from the background. Try to avoid